Hi, I'm Christy, registered nurse at Cityskin, and I'd like to talk to you about volume loss in the temple area and the impact this can have on the rest of the face. When it comes to volume loss and its effect on aging, the most common areas of concern for most people, generally an increase in the depths of the nasolabial folds and the formation of the marionette line. While we can definitely address these areas directly, when we're assessing your skin and creating a treatment plan, it's equally important to consider what's happening in the upper face, as volume loss and a loss of bony support here has a flow-on effect to the rest of the face. Restoring volume in the temples can recreate a more smooth flowing, more youthful curvature, support the tail of the eyebrow for a lifting effect, and restore balance by avoiding a bottom-heavy appearance that can occur if the lower face is treated in isolation. We have a number of treatments available in clinic to address volume loss in the temple area, and I encourage you to book your free consultation where we can discuss your options and tailor a treatment plan specific to your needs.